Question 5. Sparks from electrostatic discharge can sometimes be very dangerous. They can cause a fire or an explosion. Safety precautions are taken to reduce risks. Explain how safety precautions in a particular situation reduce the risks of fire or explosion. If you're wondering what electrostatic discharge is, well, it's a sudden flow of electricity between two electrically charged objects caused by contact. It happens when a non-conducting surface is rubbed against another, and the contacting surfaces are then separated. Electrostatic discharge can cause a lot of damage or destroy sensitive electronic parts. It can change magnetic media, and they can also have the potential to set off explosions or fires in flammable environments. So our situation is gonna be when airplanes are refueled from a fuel truck. So where's the risk that could happen here? The risk is when the refueling hose is connected, there might be a spark which could ignite the fuel. This would lead to an explosion in the airplane and the fuel truck itself. And the reason it can explode, both the plane and the truck, they both have fuel in them. And well, when something can ignite, it means catch on fire. As we all know, fuel is very flammable, and in this situation, both the plane and the truck contain fuel, so this would cause them both to explode. Why it would ignite in the first place? Well, it's because the movement of fuel in the pipes during refueling can provide friction, which can lead to the buildup of a static charge. If the static charge is of a high potential, it can cause sparking, which would ignite or cause a fire. This would cause the aircraft and the fuel tank to explode. The reason the spark happened here is because friction, which is rubbing objects together, resulted in the transfer of electrons between objects. Discharge of electrons from a charged object can cause sparks or shocks, and that's how it happened. The way we can stop this explosion from happening is by we need to ground the aircraft and the fuel tanker during the refueling process to make sure that the plane and the refueling apparatus are at the same electrical potential and to dissipate the electrical charge, which is generated during the fuel transfer process. We want to make the electrical charge disappear, so we do this by grounding the plane and the fuel truck. And if we make the electrical charge disappear, there won't be a spark and nothing will catch on fire, so we won't even have any explosions. So, problem solved.